Hi everybody, we're gonna make German chocolate cake cookies today. So the first thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 375. Okay, you need 2 sticks of softened butter. And all this is gonna go in your mixer. You need a cup of brown sugar. The birds are going off again. And you want to pack your brown sugar down. Then you want a cup of regular sugar. Then you need 2 beaten eggs. Brown sugar down there. Okay. Add that in. Two teaspoons of vanilla extract. And then you're gonna mix this all up till it gets creamy and fluffy. And I'll be back. Okay, once you have that all creamed, you need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. You need a teaspoon of baking soda. You need a 1/2 cup of cocoa and a pinch of salt. You're gonna mix all this up and then you're gonna put it in your mixing bowl. Sometimes I sift it, other times I don't. So just stir it up good. And add this, and I'll be back. Remember to scrape your bowl halfway through. Okay, on a cookie sheet, either you can grease it or parchment paper. You're gonna put about a tablespoon per cookie. You want them a couple inches apart. And these are gonna cook for 8 to 10 minutes at 375. And then I'll be back. Check yours at 8, just to be sure your oven's not cooking hot. And I'll be back. Okay, my buzzer just went off. get them on a cookie sheet and load up again, and then I'll be back. We have to make the icing for them, which is a stovetop type frosting. And I'll be back in a minute. Okay, at this time, get a cup of chopped pecans ready. I have to chop mine. And you need 1 1/3 cup of shredded sweet coconut. And I'll be back. Okay, then you're gonna need to separate 3 eggs, as you need 3 egg yolks. And I'll be back. Okay, next thing you need to do in your saucepan, you're gonna put a cup of sugar. You're gonna get a cup of evaporated milk. So, evaporated. You need a cup of that. You need a 1/2 stick of butter. I mean a stick of butter. A 1/2 cup. Put that in. And then you need your 3 egg yolks. Evaporated sugar, egg yolks, butter. Okay. Now you're gonna put this on like number 5, and you're gonna set your timer for about 11 minutes, maybe 12. You're gonna let this thicken up. You have to constantly stir it. But just keep it mixing. And after 11 minutes or 12 minutes, once it gets thick, pull it off the heat and I will be back. Okay, once you take it off the heat, you're gonna put a teaspoon of vanilla in. Put a cup of your chopped pecans in, and 1 1/3 cups of shredded coconut. Now mix that all up till it starts to get thick again. Okay, once you get it thick, let it cool for about 5 minutes, and then you're gonna start spreading these on your cooled cookies, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna drizzle mine with a little chocolate also on the top, so if you have any melting chocolate, just put it in the microwave and get it melted. Okay, once it's cooled for 5 minutes, stir it again for 5 minutes, and then we'll start putting it on the cookies. Hi everybody, I lost the last clip of the video, but anyways, you're gonna take like a tablespoon of your coconut pecan caramel frosting, and you're gonna spread that over the cookie, and then you can drizzle it with the chocolate if you want. They have to set up, so give it a good hour for them to set up, and then you can serve them. And that's it. Y'all have a good day. Again, thank you for sharing, liking, subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. It will really help me out. And I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And please leave me a comment if you try it. Thanks. Have a great day.